Hello and welcome to our channel where we explore the mysteries of the universe. Today, we are going to talk about one of the most fascinating topics in space science, the Big Bang Theory. The Big Bang Theory is the idea that the universe started with a huge explosion around 13.8 billion years ago. Before the explosion, the universe was very small and very hot. The explosion made the universe expand and cool down, and this expansion is still happening today, and it's what makes the universe so vast and spacious. One of the key pieces of evidence for the Big Bang Theory is the cosmic microwave background radiation. This radiation is like a faint glow of energy that is found all over the universe. Scientists think that this radiation is the leftover energy from the Big Bang itself. This radiation was discovered in the 1960s by two scientists named Arno Penzias and Robert Wilson, who were studying radio waves. They discovered a hissing sound that was coming from every direction, and they realized that it was cosmic microwave background radiation. Another piece of evidence for the Big Bang Theory is the abundance of light elements like hydrogen and helium in the universe. Scientists have measured the amount of these elements in different parts of the universe and found that they are present in the exact amounts that would be expected if they were created during the Big Bang. But there are also some things we don't know yet about the Big Bang. For example, scientists don't understand everything that happened in the very first moments after the explosion. This is because the universe was so small and dense that the laws of physics as we know them today didn't apply. Scientists are still trying to understand what happened in those early moments. Another mystery is the fact that most of the matter in the universe is made up of something called dark matter, which is invisible and doesn't interact with light or other forms of electromagnetic radiation. Scientists don't know what dark matter is made of or how it behaves. Also, there is also something called dark energy, which is causing the expansion of the universe to speed up rather than slow down. Scientists don't know what dark energy is either. One of the most exciting things about the Big Bang Theory is that it helps us understand how the universe has changed over time. After the explosion, the universe was a hot, dense soup of particles that gradually cooled down and formed stars and galaxies. Over billions of years, these stars and galaxies have been moving farther apart from each other. Another interesting fact is that scientists can actually see some of the early stages of the universe's evolution by studying distant galaxies and their light. When we look at very distant galaxies, we are actually looking back in time to see what the universe was like when those galaxies first formed. One of the key features of the Big Bang Theory is the concept of cosmic inflation. This is the idea that just after the initial explosion, the universe underwent an incredibly rapid expansion, doubling in size many times in a fraction of a second. This explains why the universe appears so uniform in all directions, as any irregularities in the initial conditions would have been stretched out by the inflationary period. While the cosmic microwave background radiation is strong evidence for the Big Bang Theory, scientists have also observed other phenomena that support the theory. For example, they have measured the redshift of light from distant galaxies, which indicates that they are moving away from us at incredible speeds. This observation supports the idea of the expanding universe and helps to confirm the timeline of the Big Bang Theory. However, there are still some mysteries that remain unresolved. For example, scientists don't yet understand the nature of the singularity that existed before the Big Bang. This is because our current understanding of physics breaks down at the extreme temperatures and densities that would have existed at that time. Some scientists believe that a new theory of quantum gravity will be necessary to fully understand what happened at the very beginning of the universe. Another mystery is the nature of dark matter and dark energy. While we can observe their gravitational effects on matter, we cannot directly detect or measure them. Scientists are still trying to develop ways to study these mysterious substances, which make up the vast majority of the matter and energy in the universe. In addition, The Big Bang Theory has raised new questions about the ultimate fate of the universe. Some scientists predict a Big Rip scenario in which the expansion of the universe continues to accelerate, eventually tearing apart all matter into individual particles. Others suggest that the expansion may slow down or even reverse, leading to a big crunch in which the universe collapses back in on itself. Still, others propose the idea of a big freeze or heat death, in which the universe continues to expand but eventually becomes so spread out that there is no more energy to sustain life or any physical processes. Finally, while the Big Bang Theory provides a detailed account of the history of the universe up to the present day, it is also important to consider the limitations of our current understanding. There may be new discoveries or evidence that challenges or even disproves the theory in the future, just as the theory of relativity superseded Newtonian mechanics. While the Big Bang Theory has provided us with a lot of insight into the origin and the evolution of the universe, there is still much that we don't know. However, scientists continue to study the universe and develop new technologies that allow us to observe and measure the most distant and faint objects in the cosmos. Who knows what new discoveries we will make in the future and how they will reshape our understanding of the universe and our place within it. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more exciting content about the mysteries of the universe.